Subscribe our Super GK Tricks channel and press the bell icon for our latest updates.
Which is the largest Lok Sabha constituency area-wise? Ladakh. How many times the word secular appears in our constitution? 2 times. In which state EVM was used for the first time in India? Kerala. Who was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? G.V. Mavalankar. Swaran Singh Committee recommends inclusion of fundamental duties. Which is the oldest High Court of India? Calcutta. Vice President is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. When was the first session of Lok Sabha held? 13th May 1952. Chief Justice of High Courts are appointed by President of India. Total seats in lower house of Parliament 552. Article 17 of the Constitution deals with abolition of untouchability. How many sessions are held in a year in Lok Sabha? 3. Which state has the highest number of representatives in both the house? Uttar Pradesh. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? President of India.
Which High Court has the territorial jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Island? Calcutta. How many members from Anglo-Indian community can be nominated to Lok Sabha by the President? 2. Total seats in Upper House of Parliament 250. Who was the President of India at the time of proclamation of emergency in the year 1976? Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Who administers the oath of office to the President? Chief Justice of India. The joint session of two houses of Parliament is chaired by Speaker of Lok Sabha. In which year the first general election held in India? 1951-52. Who was the Chief Justice of India? H.J. Kania. By which amendment the word secular and socialist were added to Indian Constitution? 42nd Amendment Act. Supreme Court judge retires upon attaining the age of 65 years. Which article deals with the appointment of the Prime Minister and other ministers? Article 75. Sharad Arvind Bobde is the Dash Chief Justice of India. 47th. Which articles deal with the pardoning powers of the President? Article 72. Sarkaria Commission has been appointed by the Government of India to report on Center-State relations. Panchayati Raj system was started in India in which year? 1959. Which state was the first to establish Panchayati Raj institutions? Rajasthan. When did Delhi become the Union Territory of India? 1956. Anti-defection law is given in which schedule of Indian Constitution? 10th schedule. Who was the chairman of drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What is the minimum age for appointment as the member of Rajya Sabha? 30 years. Who was the chairman of the Constitution? Rajendra Prasad. Money bill can be introduced only in Lok Sabha. The idea of fundamental duty is derived from Russian Constitution. Who was the first governor of Free India? C. Rajagopalachari. Who is called the father of Indian Renaissance? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The interval between two sessions of House of Parliament should not exceed 6 months. By which Amendment Act the voting age is reduced from 21 to 18 years? 61st Amendment Act. How many fundamental duties are in Indian Constitution? 11. The Constituent Assembly was created by Cabinet Mission Plan. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? Speaker of Lok Sabha. The directive principle of state policy were borrowed from Ireland and it took from Spain. Article 23 and 24 of the Constitution deals with right against exploitation. The only session of the INC presided over by Mahatma Gandhi was Belgaum Session 1924. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Annie Besant in 1917. Who was the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress? Sarojini Naidu in 1925. Which is the only president of India to exercise the pocket veto power? Gyani Zail Singh.
Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for watching most repeated GK questions.